Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my hair because that's what we're about to do right now. My hair is a mess and I got somewhere to go, so we're gonna have to make this as quick as can be. I thought I would make this video of me showing you how I do my hair because I'm about to put on the Vpart and I haven't worn one of those in forever. So we're about to see what we can make shake real quick. This is the Vpart that I have right here. It's actually not even a Vpart, it's a Vpart. So if you can see, the parting is really small, which should make this easier to blend. I've already washed it. I feel like I should have dyed it because I don't know if the color is gonna match. But as you can also see, this is curly, and I don't plan on like trying to make my hair blend with this. I do want to straighten this though, so I can get like that perfect straight blend. So what we're gonna do is straighten this curly U part. So this is what it's looking like on the inside. It has combs, it has clips, a string, another comb. So I'm gonna put this on my mannequin head and we're gonna straighten this. I want to curl it, so I'm gonna see how this works out. Oh, it's really soft. The hair is all curled up, and let me just give a disclaimer. I would not suggest this. The process was so long, and I feel like this V part is meant to be curly. So if you want to like straight hair, I would suggest just getting straight hair. Don't do what I did because, whew, it's been a process, and we're done. So I don't know how to braid that good, so I'm not going to braid my hair or anything because we can't do that. So I'm just going to put my hair like in a low ponytail. So I'm just going to part my leave out. I don't know if this is too much. Let's just start with this because you only need a little bit because, you know, you just need a little bit. So I'm going to section this off like that, and I'm just going to put the rest of this in a low ponytail. Really low, and then I'm going to tuck it like that, so when the wig is on, like, it should be flat, you know. So it has combs all around the part, and then, well, clips all around the part, and then combs in the back. the sides. So, okay, I'm just gonna clip these two clips. One right here, one right there. And it's really flat, so it shouldn't be like a hump or anything. Clip it. And then clip it. Alright, real easy. And then, where'd that comb go? Okay, I'm just gonna stick the comb on the side. Stick the comb on the side. This one's a little too snug. Okay. Much better. And then there's a comb in the back. Stick that under my ponytail. Okay. So, this is what the hair looks like on. Wait, this is pulling my hair. We don't want that. Better. Alright, so this is the wig on. She's cute. This is looking cute. So this curl fell. It's like super straight. Let's see if we can recurl it. It's super straight. Even though I'm gonna brush through them anyway, this one is just doesn't make sense. Okay, yeah. Let's see if we did this. I'm gonna use a little bit of this coconut oil. I'm gonna brush through. Yeah. Oh my gosh. All the curls brushed out. All the curls brushed out. All the curls brushed out. Is this not human hair? Because, wow. And it took me a hot minute to do these curls. So, there's no curl left. There's no curl left. So, yeah, I definitely would recommend not straightening this hair because I curled it, and as you can see, there's no curl left. Like, there's no curl left in my hair. It looks cute. It looks natural. It looks like a blowout. But there's no curl left. Like these curls. Let's comb these up as well. it's cute. It's giving blowout, but there's no curl left. The hair looks cute. The hair looks pretty, but there's no curl left. Like, nada. Not a curl left. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this hair if you keep it curly. I would not straighten this hair. I would not curl this hair. Clearly, it doesn't hold a curl, and it really doesn't seem like it was straightened well. So if you wanted like a straight style, I would recommend just getting straight hair already. And if you want curly hair, of course you get curly hair, but only with a curly hair curly, because I don't know, it's giving natural blowout though. But all that time I just been curling it, and where's the curl? Where's the curl? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have a link to this hair down below and some straight ones, so you don't have to go through what I went through. You could just get straight hair off the bat. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'm so selfish, I can't help